Here's how to install a Rain-X Expert Fit Hybrid blade on a small pin-type arm. First, remove the pre-installed adapter. To do this, flip up the Rain-X tab on the top of the blade. Rotate the pre-installed adapter down and then push it back to remove it. You're now ready to install the blade. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Now find the packaged adapter and note the smaller and larger sized hole openings. Next, locate the pin on the wiper arm and slide it through the smaller hole on the blade. Now align the packaged adapter so that the smaller hole is over the small pin arm. Lock the adapter down until it is flush with the top of the blade to ensure the blade is secure. Then lower the Rain-X tab. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the plastic squeegee cover on the blade and gently lower the wiper arm onto the windshield. It's that simple. You're done.